Today we have a 2017 S63 dropped off for some fun and exciting work. We're gonna go ahead drop the motor out of this thing, put some downpipes, bridge pipes, along with the notorious Weistec turbos. Yes, you heard right. We're gonna send those out, get them back, reinstall, get this custom tune done, and stay tuned. The turbos and downpipes are in. Now we're going to do the tune. If you like what you saw and see how we transformed this S63, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see any future builds that we got going on here at AMG TAI'S.